This is Super Mario World, just the best-selling game on the Super Nintendo, and I want to play it. So you know what that means. After the success of the Nintendo Entertainment System, NEC released the PC Engine, or the TurboGrafx-16 in America, and Sega released the Mega Drive, or Genesis as it's known in the US. Both systems were 16-bit and had better graphics than the NES, but even with them being technologically superior, Nintendo executives were in no rush to design a new system. But they reconsidered when they began to see their market dominance slipping. In 1987, then Nintendo president Hiroshi Yamauchi revealed the development of the Super Famicom. It was meant to be released 2 years later, but they delayed it to 1990. Still, at 25,000 yen, it was an instant success. Nintendo's initial shipment of 300,000 units sold out within hours. Nintendo succeeded partially due to retaining most of its key third-party developers, like Capcom, Konami, and others. A year later, the Super Famicom, rebranded to the SNES, launched in North America for $199. In its 13-year lifespan, the Super Nintendo sold over 49 million units. Less than the NES, but still enough for it to become the best-selling 16-bit console. I got the Super Famicom from Japan for 500 yen. That's just $3. I used fromjapan.co.jp to get it imported. I also got some games and controllers. When I bought everything I wanted, the package was shipped. Everything came in the same big parcel as the GameCube. Before testing anything, I disassembled the SNES. And cleaned everything in soap and hot water. After that, there were still some dirty spots, so I took a toothbrush and started scrubbing. When it dried, I reassembled everything. Like with the GameCube, I didn't have a power supply. I found out that the SNES, that is rated for 10 volts, can actually run on 9, and it just so happens that USB-C power delivery supports that voltage. So, using a cheap board from AliExpress, I can get a 9 volt output from a PD compatible charger. I also found this barrel jack in my scrap box, which is the same size as the SNES one. So I soldered that onto the PD board. Triple checking the polarity to not fry my console. I heat shrinked everything, and that's it! You can now use a standard charger to power your SNES. Let's see if it works. It worked! You are currently looking at Street Fighter 2 running on my $3 Super Famicom. The other games didn't read, so I opened and cleaned every single one. And now everything runs with no problem. I got a working SNES for just $3 and the PD board costs just $2 on AliExpress. Pretty good deal if you ask me. And now I can finally play Super Mario World.